everyone, and welcome to our first session on building your social media presence. My name is Ahmed, and I will be guiding you through this journey. Over the next few sessions, we will be exploring how to develop a robust social media presence across various platforms. This very specifically includes LinkedIn and your own blogging website on Blogger for sharing your thoughts and expertise and much more. Each session will be 1 hour long with a mix of discussions and practical activities. By the end of each session, you will have made significant progress in building your profiles both on LinkedIn and Blogger. By the end of the sessions, you will also have your own blogging website. So, before we start this journey, you need to understand that in today's digital era, having a strong social media presence is crucial. It can open doors to new opportunities, help you build a professional network, and allow you to share your expertise with a broader audience. Do you know that over 90% of the recruiters use LinkedIn to find potential candidates, or those businessmen with blogs generated 76% more leads per month than those without any blogs? These platforms are powerful tools for personal and professional growth. LinkedIn is a premier platform for professional networking. It's where you can showcase your resume, connect with your industry leaders, and find job opportunities. Whereas Blogger is a user friendly platform for creating and managing blogs. It's a great place to share your knowledge, build a following, and establish yourself as a thoughtful leader in your field. We will also touch on other platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, which can complement your LinkedIn and blogging efforts. Before we dive into creating profiles, it's essential to define your goals. So, my question to you is what exactly are you looking from? Are you looking to advance your career, share your expertise, or build a personal brand? I think we should start small and set a smart goal, which should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. For example, I want to gain 1000 LinkedIn connections within the next 6 months is a very smart goal for a starter. Take a few minutes and jot down your current social media presence. List down all the answers to the questions, which are: do you have any profile on all the social media platforms? How active are you on these platforms? What do you use these platforms for? Do you read content on any of these platforms? What type of content do you read? And what type of content do you consume on these platforms? In case if you have any question about today's session or this introductory lecture, please feel free to share your feedback and write in comments. In our next session, we will dive into creating and optimizing your LinkedIn profile. We'll cover everything from setting up your account to writing a compelling summary. Building a strong social media presence takes time and efforts, but it's incredibly rewarding. Uh, I am exciting. I'm excited to see the progress you all make. Thank you for joining this session, and I look forward to seeing you next time.
Like, comment, and subscribe.